Hi guys! So you know, it's all about self-care, home care, beauty spa, right? So I wanted to show you how to use the LumiSpa. I really love this device because it's great for cleansing and exfoliating, and it's also fantastic for removing makeup. And I really love this also because it's not a bristle brush head, but it's a silicone head. So it's super hygienic. You just remove this from the device and place this under running water, and it'll get rid of all the residue so that when you use it next time, all that residue will not go back into your face, but rather it'll just clean very hygienically. So I'm going to use the cleanser here. I use dry because my skin does tend to be a little bit on the dry side. And apply the rollie. And I'm going to use our mist. To moisturize my face a little bit. And then you just turn the device on and you start.
나 가보고 할머니 집에 가도 돼?
잠깐만. That's it. Just if you have 2 minutes to spare, that's all it takes to clean your face. Feels super fresh and super clean. And all you have to do now is wash your face, wash the brush head, and you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.